Good evening, class. This is Mr. Hall with another lesson. Today we're going to be doing World Geography Lesson 5, and today we'll be talking about the economy of Sub-Saharan Africa and the different agriculture and infrastructures that they bring to Africa. Right now we're going to get right into it. Here are your vocabulary words where it describes infrastructure is the basic system of services and facilities necessary for community or organization to function. And then we have the testis fly, which is a blood-sucking fly from sub-Saharan Africa, known to pass the disease to human and animals. So starting with agriculture, over 60% of sub-Saharan Africans are farmers, making agriculture the region's leading economic sector. Most of the farming is done as subsistence farming, and subsistence farming is used to provide the basic needs of family. Any extra crops that are produced from the subsistence farming is sold by sub-Saharan Africans in the marketplace. Sub-Saharan Africans do not produce enough food and water for their families. It's environmental difficulties that cause this problem, such as drought and another overcultivation of arable land. Another reason for this is the tsetse fly, which has been a threat to livestock, and so it has been necessary for humans to power over plow fields. Commercial farming is the second largest employer of sub-Saharan Africans. Commercial farmers are large farms that produce crops to be sold exclusively for profits. These are known as cash crops, which are important to the regional economy, which includes coffee, peanut, cotton, cocoa, and palm oil. The emphasis on the production of cash crop, however, has been harmful to sub-Saharan Africa due to the fact that it's more on production rather than producing foods for the survival and health of many of the Africans. Moreover, the commercial farms in the region are foreign-owned, and while sub-Saharan is being paid for their work, the profits are going to other nations. Moving on, we're going to go into the industry, which in agriculture employs the great number of people in sub-Saharan Africa. Mining and oil are the region's more profitable industries, and for South Africa, it is the world's largest gold producer. However, it has decreased over the last years due to the cost of mining. South Africa is also a major producer of diamonds. Over 80% of the world diamond supply comes from that region, and copper is a chief revenue producer mineral for countries such as the Dominican Republic of Congo and Zimbabwe. For infrastructure, there is a lack of good roads to move the minerals and mines to the place where they are sold and shipped to other countries, which is a major obstacle. Moreover, rivers are difficult to navigate and do not provide the means for long-distance transportation of goods. In Nigeria, it is rich in petroleum reserves and is a major producer of oil. The government has controls of much of the oil's production industry, and the small country of Gabon is also the leading sub-Saharan producer of oil, and why their profits are so high and allows other countries such as Nigeria to develop other industries and improve its infrastructure is because it has a mixed economy. And right here it talks about concentrate, organizing yourself after each task, and things of that nature. Avoid getting distracted, and that is important very much in any aspect of life. Right here we're going to get into the questions, so we'll go ahead and go into the Word document. So for the first one, the economic sector that employs a majority of sub-Saharan African is agriculture. Second question, true or false? Subsistence farming is a major source of cash crop in the region. This is true. Number 3, select 5 major cash crops produced in sub-Saharan Africa, which we did talk about in the beginning, as it is peanuts, cotton, palm oil, coffee, and cocoa. Number 4, how has the Texas fly influenced farming in the region? Well, it has limited farming to the use of human-powered and subsistence farming, which keeps production and harvest low. And that is important because in terms of production and harvesting, you want to keep the land growing, but in this case, it has limited that in that region. Number 5, how has the commercial farms hurt food production for the use of sub-Saharan Africans? Well, the cash crop has been cultivated on lands that should be used for produce food for Africans. However, it has been used as a cash crop to sell to other countries rather than used for producing food for that region for the people. Number 6, sub-Saharan Africa is the world leading producer of the precious metal gold, which we have said gold has been going down in recent years due to the cost of mining production. Number 7, why is the current state of the region's infrastructure a problem for mineral productions? Well, there is not another good roads to facilitate and expand mineral production in many areas. Also, as it's stated in the paragraphs, the rivers has limited to long distance selling and production. Number 8, how does Nigeria's mixed economy help improve its infrastructure? Well, the government-controlled oil profits have been used to develop roads and build up the industry. And I think I might have not even went in emphasis on that part. Yeah, because the government does control much of the oil production in that country. And the profits in oil has allowed to develop industries and improve infrastructures while also having more land growth and profits from roads as they can expand. Number 9, the minerals. It's produced in abundance in Zimbabwe. This is copper. And also, guys, when you do these questions, make sure to put this, the World Geography Unit 10, Lesson 5, and make sure to put your name at the top. And that's it. This is all for Lesson 5. Let me know if you have any questions, and make sure you do the questions. Thank you.